welcome back to BMF Speed Shop, where today we have a 1994 Ford Thunderbird. And this car features the 4.5 liter OHC V8, which is also shared in another vehicle you might be more familiar with, but the Mustang GT. This car's name is Sue. She was previously titled in
Utah?
She's a pretty nice project. We had to add some cup holders because the T-Bird is notorious for not offering cup holders or user-friendly cup holders at that. It also has a lot of interference with the cassette to AV option. Your turn. I gotta switch places with you.
So you can tell my wife, Jill, who you just met in the video, I think you might have seen her in a few other videos, but if you haven't, that's my wife. And this is the car I got her for her birthday, Mother's Day. You might remember her old T-Bird that I got her for Christmas. It was a 1991 base model with the V6. So she upgraded a little bit. So I went ahead and did the muffler delete. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It sounds pretty good, I think. So yeah, if you're looking into getting into the car hobby, I suggest you check out these T-Birds from the 90s. They're a really awesome platform to start out with. V8 rear wheel drive, can't go wrong. So definitely recommend checking these out. Pick them up for